Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jansen Fancher with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, and I have the privilege of showing you this beautiful new 2022 Harris Crowne 270. Look at the beautiful fiberglass. It's got the desert camel interior. Lots of seating in this baby. You can bring the whole family out. Got a T-top style power tower, 10 feet of bimini coverage. This lounger here is actuated. You can go forward or backward. Nice space on this rear facing lounger. You can legally ride back here while underway, and it's powered by a Mercury 400 horsepower Verado. Take a look at the helm. It's got the interior and exterior lighting package. It's got the JL Audio Platinum series, 8 speakers, 2 amps, 2 subs, and a 9-inch Simrad screen. For any questions, feel free to reach out. My number is 573-606-3029. Thank you.